Hi guys, welcome to Wikividya. I'm Tanya and today I'll be discussing the fourth chapter from the First Flight book from the Diary of Anne Frank. If you are new to my channel and would like to check out other chapters from the book, I have an entire playlist created on my channel that includes all those videos. I'll leave a link in the description box. I'll also be discussing the solutions for the previous year questions asked from this chapter later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. This chapter is a small part which has been taken from the novel The Diary of a Young Girl. Anne Frank was a Jewish girl who was born in Germany, but वर्ल्ड वॉर टू के टाइम पे जब नाजीज ने जर्मनी को ऑक्यूपाई कर लिया था तो एन फ्रैंक और उसकी फैमिली एम्स्टरडैम शिफ्ट हो गए थे. बट नाजीज ने वो भी ऑक्यूपाई कर लिया विच फोर्स्ड हर फैमिली टू गो इनटू हाइडिंग फॉर 2 years बिफोर दे वर कॉट. एन फ्रैंक के फादर जिस बिल्डिंग में काम करते थे वहाँ हिडन रूम्स थे जहाँ वो लोग छुपे थे. एंड एन फ्रैंक हैड अ डायरी जिसमें शी यूज्ड टू राइट अबाउट एवरीडे हैपनिंग्स इन हर लाइफ ड्यूरिंग द टाइम दैट दे वर इन हाइडिंग. 2 years later, they were caught and put into concentration camps where everyone died and only her father survived. उन्हें एन फ्रैंक की डायरी मिली which was then published as a book named The Diary of a Young Girl. It is a very nice novel and I would highly recommend you to read it. You do not need to buy the book, you'll get a lot of free PDFs on the internet that you can simply download and read. When Anne Frank started writing her diary, she thought that it was a very strange thing to do because no one would be interested to read the daily rants of a 13-year-old. But she decided to go ahead with it because she had a lot on her mind. One day, when she was sitting alone, she thought that paper was more patient than people, and she started writing in her diary because she did not have any friends. Although she was surrounded by her parents, her sister, and her aunts that loved her, she longed for one true friend जिससे वो अपनी सभी बातें शेयर कर सके. उसने अपनी डायरी को ही अपना फ्रेंड बना लिया and she named her Kitty. Anne gives a brief description about her family. उसकी सिस्टर मार्गो उससे 3 साल बड़ी थी. Anne was born in Frankfurt and lived there for 4 years. उसके बाद उसके पेरेंट्स हॉलैंड शिफ्ट हो गए एंड एन और मार्गो अपनी ग्रैंडमदर के साथ रहने लगे. कुछ टाइम के बाद वो लोग भी हॉलैंड चले गए एंड एन ने नर्सरी स्कूल में एडमिशन ले लिया. 1942 में हर ग्रैंडमदर पास्ड अवे एंड शी स्टिल थिंक्स ऑफ हर एंड स्टिल लव्स हर. Coming to the present time, Anne is in her classroom and all the students are very anxious क्योंकि आज उनका रिजल्ट आना था which would decide कि वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में प्रमोट होंगे या उसी क्लास में डिटेन कर दिए जाएंगे. Anne was not worried about herself or her friends because उसके अपने सभी टीचर्स के साथ बहुत अच्छे रिलेशंस थे. However, the only subject that she was worried about was maths and उसके maths teacher was very annoyed कि वो क्लास में बहुत बात करती है. एक बार उन्होंने उसे एक ऐसे लिखने दिया था ऑन द टॉपिक अ चैटर बॉक्स. Anne decided to write an essay that proved the necessity of talking. उसने लिखा कि उसकी मदर भी बहुत बात करती है एंड उसने ये क्वालिटी उन्हीं से इनहेरिट की है एंड शी कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट बट शी वुड ट्राई टू कीप इट अंडर कंट्रोल. बट नेक्स्ट क्लास में भी वो बहुत बात कर रही थी तो उसके टीचर ने उसे एक नया टॉपिक दिया. क्वैक 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 सेड मिस्ट्रेस चैटरबॉक्स. Her teacher tried to make a joke on her, but she decided to make the joke on him. So her friend helped her to write a poem about a mother duck, a father swan, and 3 baby ducklings who were bitten to death by the father swan because they quaked too much. Her teacher laughed and उन्होंने फिर कभी उसे क्लास में बात करने के लिए टोका नहीं. In fact, वो खुद ही क्लास में जोक्स सुनाने लगे. So that was the summary of this chapter. Let us now move on to the previous year question papers. ये चैप्टर सीबीएसई ने लास्ट ईयर ही सिलेबस में इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. ये बुक लास्ट ईयर ही इंट्रोड्यूस हुई है, देयरफॉर सिर्फ 1 साल का क्वेश्चन पेपर अवेलेबल है, दैट इज फॉर द ईयर 2020. द क्वेश्चन दैट वाज आस्क्ड वाज, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट Anne's talent for writing essays which she wrote convincingly when punished by the teacher? The answer would be, when Anne's teacher asked her to write an essay to discourage her from chattering in the class, she wrote a big essay putting forward her arguments to defend her chattering in the class. She continued for 2 more times till her teacher gave up and she was allowed to talk in class. This shows that Anne had a great ability to write convincingly. And that is all for this lesson, you guys. Stay tuned for the next lesson. I have also provided 2 sets of question papers in the description box below, along with a PDF of the entire book. You can check that out. I'd also love to connect with you through email or Facebook or Instagram. I'll leave all my social media handles in the description box. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And also hit that bell button so you are notified every time I post a new video. Bye.